Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today, as you can see, we will be going into the paper pumpkin box for January 2019. I just got it. I just got home from work, and this was sitting on my table. So one of my children got the mail and brought it in. So we're going to open this up and see what it's all about. I know it's supposed to coordinate with the Animal Expedition suite that's in the annual catalog. With this suite here. Lovely, lovely. So let's see what we have. And we know it's treat, something to make, I think 24 treats packages. So this is the stamp set. Let me see. It says, you're one in a chameleon. For you, my friend, to and from, love you. You're so fly. Be mine. Happy Valentine's Day and be my Valentine. I wonder what that is. But I see the chameleon with the little, I guess it's a fly because it says you're so fly. And two little birds and some hearts. This is a heart. Okay. Our ink spot is Melon Mambo. Let's see what's inside the box. It's pillow boxes. Those are so cute. Oh man, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna go get the Melon Mambo spot. I'll be right back. Ooh. Okay, so I got my large stamp ink pad because we're not gonna need these. I'm already loving these little enamel hearts. Those are so pretty. Let me see, cut on this end so I won't ruin anything. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, so these are just the adhesives. So we have some dimensionals, some adhesive strips, some glue dots. What else is there in here? What is this? Oh, two things of dimensionals, glue dots, and the enamel dots. Look at these. These are so pretty. Those are cute. Oh my, look at the colors of these pillow boxes. They're pretty. Okay, let's get into this first. So another look at what we're gonna be making. They're so cute. It says, your kit includes Be Mine Valentine Photopolymer Stamp Set, Melon Mambo Classic Stampin' Spot, 24 double-sided pillow boxes. Oh, they're double-sided? Oh, okay. 15 printed die-cut element sheets, 40 epoxy hearts, 200 dimensionals, 100 adhesive dots, and 24 adhesive strips. And the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Crumb Cake, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, Melon Mambo, Petal Pink, and Pool Party. Great. Let's see. Everything looks simple enough. Simple enough. Okay, I want to make some. Let's jump right in. Let's see what we're going to do. Get rid of the cardboard. Here's some hearts. We're going to need a heart to make the chameleon, the one with the chameleon on it. And these are all hearts. And we're gonna need, get the little punch out. Oh! So I'm sure we're gonna need one of each. I'm taking this one out because I guess I already started tearing it. So that'll be with that. We're gonna need one of the hearts for the kangaroo. And then, of course, that means we're going to need a kangaroo. Okay, and all of those are the same. Then we're going to need a circle. They have made 2 kangaroos with just different colors. So we're just going to make one. Also, they made 2 chameleons, but just different colors. So we're just going to make one of each. One in each color. That's that. These are all circles. And then the little Stampin' labels. Okay, so let's see. What we need to do first is to stamp first. And you know what I forgot? A block. So let me go slide over here and get a block. Okay. And what sentiment did they use? For you, my friend, and be my Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so we'll use Happy Valentine's Day on one. This is a big block. I don't want to use that big of a block because it could get into the ink and make a mess. So let's open that ink up. So this one, I'm sure, is going to go on one of the longer ones. Trying to see without putting my head in the camera. And then we have, what did I say? For you, my friend. I like that one. But I think I want to use Your One in Chameleon. I like that. That's cute. Your One in Chameleon. That's the one we're going to use. Okay. That didn't stamp too well. Let's do another. See what I mean about the ink getting all over? It's all over the block, so you just have to be careful not to rock it when you stamp. That one's better. Okay. Put those to the side until we can get them clean. Close up the ink so we don't make a mess. After, oh, that's not the instructions. This is after we stamp. Step number 2, adhere your die cuts using dimensionals. So I'm going to get a couple of dimensionals. Let's see, this one goes here, so we can put it all over the back. I'm going to be generous with that one. And this one, we're just going to put him here behind the chameleons. One on each one. So we're going to adhere the kangaroo. I wonder if the heart has popped up too. I'll have to look again. This is so cute. Man, I think a lot of students are going to be getting Valentines because these are cute. Oh no, I think I need to stamp something else because didn't this have hearts on it? Oh no, those are the epoxy hearts. Okay. So we attach that. Step. Oh, okay, and then it says adhere heart to kangaroo and stamp the label to scallop using adhesive dots. Okay, so we'll do that. We're gonna, where are the glue dots? Man, I'm so frazzled for some reason today. I feel like I'm moving in slow motion or something. I think I might have put this chameleon down too far, so I'm gonna move that one up a little bit because we have to get our sentiment on there. Put that there. And that's why I should have followed directions, because this one goes on here. Okay, let's see if we can peel this up without doing too much damage. Put it up just a little higher. I'm still going to use this one on here. So get my glue dots. Stick it to the paper, not my finger. So why can't I get these glue dots? Am I trying to move too fast? Oh, it's sticking to me. It doesn't want to let me go. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm sorry about this shadow. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's still cute. It still works. Get off of me, glue dot. Okay, and then we're gonna put the Happy Valentine's Day on the kangaroo. Let's see. Put it like this. Maybe I should flag it. See, it's gonna stick out too far because I was supposed to use the shorter one, but that's okay. I like it. Still gonna be cute, right? Get it under his hand, under his little paw. What do kangaroos have, paws? I don't know. Okay, and now we're gonna crease all these little lines on here. These, you kind of just pinch it. You don't want to push it down too far. And this one, I'm going to make it the pink one. So I'm going to put the adhesive, it's going to go on this part, like this. I'm just going to use my tear and tape because I put the adhesive strip somewhere and I can't find them, and I know where my tear and tape is, so I'll just get that out. We'll just use tear and tape, and I might as well go ahead and put the tear and tape on this one while I have it out. I think I like the pink. I guess, you know, they have the two different colors. You can, one for a girl, one for a boy. Yeah, maybe. It's Valentine's Day. Pink can be for anybody on Valentine's Day, right? I think pink looks good on guys, no matter what day. Never understood the whole color for gender thing, but it is what it is. So this one will go in first because it has the little finger hole. Then this one. If I had some goodies, I would fill it. But I don't, so we're just gonna close it up. And I think I want this one on there, but we have to find, I'm gonna have to find the package, right? Where did I, oh, it's right here. Because I need to put our little hearts. Our little enamel hearts. Our love hearts. And then, do they pop this up on dimensionals or with glue dots when they put it on the box? Let's see. Put it together. Here in Bella Scout label put using dimensionals, so they do use dimensionals. dimensionals. I love dimensionals. I love popping stuff up. .3D items are my favorite. My two favorite things in crafting, making 3D items and coloring. Love it. We're just gonna, you can either do it this way or this way. And I think this one, I want to do it this way. Let me see if I open it. Open it and press from the inside. That's cute. Look at that. So the next one will be really easy because we already made it. Made it once, so this one will be the same. Just going to be the opposite direction because it's a different color. So you can make them all one color if you want, or you can mix and match. You might want to not put the longer label on the kangaroo like I did though. Follow the directions maybe. But we'll see how this is going to look, because I think if I turn this one in the opposite direction, having the longer one on here won't really matter. So let's see. Oh, why do I keep, I'm getting stuck today. Everything's sticking to me. Should I put, I think I want to put one behind that too. Let's put one behind the banner, the sentiment. Did I take them all off? Got them. Nope, didn't get them all. One more. Okay, so that's going to be the back because that's the way. Actually, the seam is here, but these are closing that way. So which one? I don't really want this part to the front, so I'm going to do it this way. But put the seam at the bottom. Oi, oi, not yet. Not yet. I want to hang it this way. Like that. That's cute, right? There you have it. Those are our two paper pumpkin projects. Well, one project, but just two versions. Those are cute. I'm loving it. And see, these are all the images from the Animal Expedition. Those are little images that come in that set. So you can use this stamp set or in all these products and add the designer series paper maybe. Those are so cute. I think this is my favorite part of the kit. I love these enamel shapes. These are cute. Okay, you guys, that is it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.